He's in his bouncy chair, playing with his monkey. Hi, Beckham Sharp. Hi, Beckham Sharp. Do you have something to say to that monkey? What? Tell him something back. Tell him something, Beckham. What? What you gonna tell that monkey? Oh, yeah? You tell him goo? You're gonna scoot right out of your chair. What you gonna tell that monkey, huh? Say hi, monkey. Hi. Hi, monkey. You gonna lick your shirt now? Okay. Well, that's special.